Create a new project. Make sure the Unity editor version is a 2022 LTS version. Select the VR template and download it, if not done before. Name the project and choose the save location. OneDrive is not recommended as it could slow down the system. Please note that creating a new project takes more time to load. The VR template project loads the sample scene by default. Try exploring the various game objects inside the scene to understand the VR workflow. The VR template has all the required packages like XR Interaction Toolkit installed and configured to run on the VR headset. You can use the contents from the starter assets provided with XR Interaction Toolkit to build the VR scene. When you start a VR project, make sure to change the platform settings to Android or the platform compatible to your headset, to avoid build issues at the end. To test the VR runtime, connect the Oculus device with a USB cable on port 3.0. Make sure the device is properly connected to the Oculus desktop app. You can test if the device is connected to Unity. Go to Build Settings. Run Device should show the connected Oculus device. Press the play button and the VR template should launch as an application on the VR headset. Next, I will guide on how to convert an existing Unity scene to a VR scene. Right-click and import the Unity package which has a pre-built scene. Open the scene from the Scenes folder. In my case, I'm importing a scene built by Cindy Studios. Copy the complete XR Origin setup variant from the sample scene or search it up in the project browser. Paste the XR Origin game object in the pre-built scene. Delete any other cameras present in the scene. Place the XR Origin in the right position and press play. You should be able to view the scene in VR and move slowly with the thumbstick control. The teleport functionality is not yet configured. Teleportation and navigation will be covered in next video.